The coronavirus.
And some are concerned this situation could impact the hospitality industry.
And for that, reporter Margaret Cavanaugh joins us now live. Now, we know that you've been looking into this issue. What can you tell us about the impact?
Yes, people are concerned. I spoke with the president of the Virginia Beach Hotel Association. He says that they've been in constant contact with the city officials about this crisis and that they're trying to evaluate the fallout of the situation on their industry. But at this point, he told me that it's too early to tell how much of an impact it could have locally.
It seems to be the main topic that everybody is talking about.
Coronavirus, the talk of the town. Staff at Buckets Bar and Grill in Chesapeake use a little extra elbow grease, wiping down counters, the bottles, and menus.
We are trying to make sure that we disinfect everything that the public is touching, that maybe people aren't thinking about they are touching.
And to get this extra work done,
people staying later to make sure everything is clean, coming in a little more early to make sure everything is disinfected properly.
Cleaning continues in many businesses, but there is concern over the impacts the coronavirus will have on the hospitality industry, especially in areas that cater to tourists.
People are flying less, and people are driving less, and people are staying at hotels less. They're not going to go out to eat. They're going to focus on what? Staying home.
Bob McNabb is an economics professor at Old Dominion University.
The message is pretty simple. There's going to be an impact. That impact could be a temporary disruption, and we're sitting here in July with a great travel season. Or it could be a prolonged disruption, depending on what? Depending upon the spread of the virus in the United States and in other countries.
He says it depends on how many people are affected by the coronavirus in Virginia, the U.S., and around the world.
The best news that could happen for Virginia Beach and Norfolk and other cities is the U.S. proactively gets a hold on the community spread of the virus. That in June we're standing here saying we dodged the bullet, we didn't turn into Italy, we're much more like South Korea in terms of limiting the spread, and we're looking forward to a good summer season.
But for now, businesses will continue to do what they can to keep safe.
Just putting in a little more effort and being a little more conscious about everything that we're doing.
Now, the professor of economics that I spoke with said the most important thing to do is for people to prepare and not panic. I'm Margaret Cavanaugh for News 3.